make we chook mouth talk about breastfeeding. The thing way make me want talk am again because we go hear some ladies go tell you say, if I breastfeed my pikin, my breast go fall. I no go breastfeed. I no want. Now I say, make we first talk, make they understand. Say breastfeeding, they very very good. In case you don't hear them before, make I break them down for you again. Number one, they say, we talk say make woman breastfeed pikin for 6 months first without putting water. You go hear, how I go breastfeed my pikin, I no go give am water drink. No. As you dey breastfeed that pikin, so everything wey the pikin need, even the water, even the vitamins, even the fats, the protein, the carbohydrate, e dey for that breast milk. So you no need to put water for pikin mouth, because you now when you swallow eba, you go drink water. No be so pikin own be. So you no need to add anything. Everything wey the pikin need, e dey inside. Even medicine.
Are you serious?
Even antibodies.
They inside the breast milk.
It go help fight infection. But you go
Wonderful.
hear women go tell you say, how I go give my pikin breast milk? I no go give am water drink. No, e no good at all. Leave that one. You dey spoil am, because the pikin collect water inside. Yeah, another thing again wey some women need to know is say, when you dey breastfeed your pikin, they go just put the pikin 5 minutes, comot am, change am. No, because as the pikin start to dey suck breast in the beginning, na water dey come out first.
Okay.
Then later, as you see dey suck, as you don go small, the other things go come dey come out.
Now so breast milk reach.
Baba, if you know say they still dey do research, still dey study many things wey dey inside.
Sure.
Then you come realize say, you get how woman go breastfeed her pikin, inside the pikin intestine go dey strong, go dey gallant. Sure. So people go tell you say, I know they fit chop some kind food. You get how body they do me. Even research don't show say, if you breastfeed pikin, some benefit for that breast milk go help the pikin intestine. Then all those sick pikin go dey purge, pikin go vomit, pikin go get catarrh, pikin go get cold. All those things, breast milk dey protect them. Because one study wey dem do for one country show say pikin wey dem no breastfeed, then get this sickness 9 times those wey dem breastfeed. Then for woman, wetin be the benefit for you when you breastfeed your pikin? Number one, e go help you and your pikin close well. Go close. If you say, even if you just look pikin, if you no talk sef, you just look am, no one be small now. The guy go dey play rough, mama go just look you with eye. You don't understand what mama dey talk. E go increase the bond. Then e go help woman too. For some women, lose some of that weight wey dem get when dem dey pregnant. Go help you. Then this breastfeeding fit still protect you as you dey breastfeed your pikin from things like breast cancer, from things like ovarian cancer. E fit still protect you and your bones. You say you get how woman go be now, her bone go weak. If you protect you from what they call osteoporosis, it go help you. Then it go also help you when we say, you know, go they think of, I go prepare food. No, for pikin, because the breast milk is there for the right environment. Your body protect them. The breast milk is there for right temperature. All you have to do now, find somewhere where they okay for you and your baby. Give pikin the breast milk, make it suck. So now, say make I chook mouth today and beg you. Say I beg, make you try and breastfeed that pikin. No be say now the breastfeeding and they make your body sag. No be him. Now many other things then they make a woman breast sag. No be say because you breastfeed the pikin and make the breast fall. Here you hear so.
Hello, there's the phone line.
Good morning.
Morning.
Doctor, good morning.
Good morning.
Ratata, good morning. Shock you.
I go shock me.
Your breast milk, you go talk, you go tire.
I did tell you, I did wait. Fire.
Doctor,
Yes.
please, I want to ask a question.
Fire down.
Like a woman that had the baby. So the baby wasn't talking much, but later the baby died. Then after that, she couldn't, they said if a woman stopped breastfeeding, that she has to pump out that milk that was there.
Was that what they said?
The one we did there before, that pikin don't die now, because the pikin never reached 1 year with the pikin. Stop to the stock.
Okay, continue.
Like 9 months. You understand? So after that one, the breast milk, nothing to do the woman, but she knows pump out. Hopefully nothing is wrong with that breast milk.
Okay, very good question. Very good one. See, if the pikin no suck again, she need to comot that milk. Shey you know say as you dey comot that one wey dey there, you dey tell the body say make e bring another one take full am inside. So first of all,
no
disturb, no problem, no issues at all. No issues, you dey okay. No need to fear, no need to worry. Yes.
Don't worry, you do alright,
yeah.
Hello, the phone line.
Ratata nation.
Mommy Glitter, you want to ask question?
I want add the one where doctor talk.
Oh yeah,
Okay.
fire.
Doctor, good morning.
Good morning.
Yes, so doctor.
Hmm.
You know, say to breastfeed baby.
Mm.
Some women they take and they do family planning too.
You don't go there. Okay. Yes.
Wait,
yes.
that.
Yes.
Then
Yeah.
they take and they do family planning.
Yes.
Another one. If you dey breastfeed your baby, you get the stage where baby go reach like 5 months, 6 months. You go they look the mother for eye.
Mm.
You go they see, they look the mother for eye. Now that love. So it good men women they breastfeed their baby.
Yes. Very good.
The final one, Ratata, you know say this week na your best.
Nobody don't invite me. Which kind of one be this Mommy Glitter?
Ogara, now your birthday this week.
No, they call me rat baby. So I say they invite me.
Yes.
The 50 way I want put inside. Why men they like breast fast?
I no get answer.
I
I no get answer. I know wetin I can't talk for radio. Na breastfeeding. I no know. Hey, leave me.
Mommy Glitter, how you be?
Leave me. Hey, please yo.
Worry.
It's doctor work I come and do.
I don't feel like
Okay, so quickly make I talk on this first one which you talk about that family planning. Yes, we know say when women breastfeed the pikin, sometimes they help them, but no be everybody because we don't still hear some women even as they breastfeed their pikin they don't carry belle again. So no go relax talk say because I dey breastfeed so I hear say na family planning. Some auntie don't carry belle as they breastfeed pikin. Say no be you just born na you carry belle again. So no just relax because you dey breastfeed.
Doctor Babeg, I want to ask one question.
Okay.
What of the babies where they stop breastfeeding by themselves? Wetin they cause am and wetin make them they stop breastfeeding by themselves?
Okay, very very good question. Before you go talk say pikin don't stop breastfeeding, that means say you don't try everything possible. Some pikin go tell you say they don't want put mouth again they suck.
Yes.
You don't try come out and put them for a bottle feeding bottle give them because some pikin they don't want put mouth for breast, maybe na feeding bottle they won't collect. So you go try every means. If you don't try every means, it no still work. No sit down for house first still carry the pikin reach hospital, make them check whether now maybe now you get how you they give and we know they take. When they don't come check and come say everything do okay, they'll come tell say, oh yeah madam, your pikin say you no want again, no congratulations, go and rest. Oh yeah, carry baby food give am. You understand?
Because the thing happened to me. My
Yes.
firstborn, then 4 months, now he stopped by himself.
Yes. Some children they like that.
But that time, I know carry and go hospital. He just stop. I just change. They give am other.
You get why I say make you carry am go hospital because some mothers too no even sabi. You understand? So the pikin fit tire, say you no want again, fit vex. Some pikin can dey vex anyhow, you know. Now make I say make you
Now
go.
we dey learn now because now the guy now is 29, a big man now.
Na big
Yeah.
man. Very good.
Yeah, that's nice. Well done.
Well done.
So now just to make an ask in case we want go for Mugo, make we know how to go take guidance.
You did
Ah,
well.
bro,
You
no
did well.
wahala.
You did well.
You never download the Wazobia FM app? Chai! You dey miss wella. Oh yeah, download our Wazobia FM app today on top Apple Store and Google Play Store. Make you fit listen anywhere and everywhere. Join the Chookmouth family today.
Wazobia FM 95.1.
Chook mouth.